Welcome to today's video where I'll be sharing with you a way to earn a significant amount of money through YouTube Shorts without the need for creating and editing lengthy videos or even showing your face. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the idea of making a fortune without having to put in any real work? I mean, we all wish we could just sit back and let the money roll in, right? Well, I'll be demonstrating how even small YouTube creators with fewer than 10,000 subscribers are making tens of thousands of dollars each month from Shorts. So if you're ready to join the ranks of the lazily wealthy, make sure you watch this video until the very end. YouTube Shorts is a relatively new feature on the YouTube platform that allows creators to earn money without the need to produce lengthy videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing what I believe are the top 3 niches that perform quite well in terms of views on Shorts. I will also be providing some tips and tricks for creating successful Shorts. One of these niches is the lifestyle category, which includes a range of content from everyday lifestyles to more luxurious ones. People often find the latter more engaging and exciting to watch. An example channel in this niche is Village Student Goals, which reposts shorts featuring wealthy individuals' lifestyles. You don't even need to create your own shorts for this type of channel. You can simply download and repost existing ones with a few changes and modifications, as long as you follow YouTube's fair use guidelines and credit the original creators. Additionally, there is no need to add voiceovers to these reposted shorts. The next niche I want to discuss that's related to the first one is the luxury niche. This category includes a variety of content such as jewelry, cars, mansions, businesses, and more. An example channel in this niche is Legendary Productions, which posts shorts featuring luxurious homes and cars. These videos are often just compilations of luxurious items and other people's content. If you want to monetize your channel by reposting other creators' content, you can use websites like Pexels to download stock photos and videos that can be used copyright and royalty-free. All you have to do is search for relevant keywords in your niche and download the videos to edit and create your own short. Pexels is completely free to use and can be a useful resource for finding high-quality, royalty-free footage to use in your shorts. There is also another great way to monetize your videos, which I will show you later on in this video. Now, let's delve into the process of creating your own shorts by reposting other people's videos. To start, you'll need to identify the videos you want to use from another creator's channel. For example, let's say you want to use videos from the luxury brand Gucci's YouTube channel. Personally, I found it helpful to create a list of specific video titles or themes that I want to include in my short, as it can be overwhelming to try to browse through a large number of videos without a clear goal in mind. Once you've chosen the videos you want to use, you'll need to download them to your device. To do this, you can follow these steps. Click on each video, copy the video URL, go to the website yt5s.com, paste the video URL into the provided box, click Start, click Get Link, and click Download to save the video to your device. Repeat these steps for each video you want to download. Next, you'll need to use a video editing software to compile the downloaded videos into a short. There are many different options available, but some popular free options include Clipchamp and Canva, which does not require installation. We'll use Canva as an example for this tutorial, as that's my personal favorite. When you open Canva, you can search for YouTube Shorts and create a new blank page. Then you can upload the downloaded videos by clicking the Upload button or dragging them onto the blank page. Once the videos are uploaded, you'll need to resize them to fit the template size. After that, you can trim the videos to highlight the most engaging parts. To do this, click on the video, then click the Trim button and use the sliders to select the desired portion of the video. Repeat this process for each of the videos you uploaded. Finally, you can preview the short by clicking the Preview button in the top right corner. Just make sure to hit the Unmute button before you watch it, or you'll be left wondering why you're just staring at a bunch of fancy clothes in silence. To further improve your video, you can add additional elements such as text, animations, music, and more by browsing through the available options. Personally, I've found it helpful to experiment with different text styles and animations to see what works best for my content. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we will not be covering that aspect. To download the video, simply click Share and then Download, making sure to choose the MP4 format. Now for the part you've been waiting for. Let's discuss how you can use YouTube Shorts to earn money online. The first step is to upload the shorts to your YouTube channel. Be sure to include an interesting title, descriptive text, and relevant hashtags in the description. For example, hashtag Gucci, hashtag clothes, hashtag fashion, hashtag bags, hashtag luxury. It's important to ensure that the hashtags you use are relevant to your video to help it reach the right audience. You can add the hashtags to the bottom of the description for easy visibility. Once you've uploaded your short, the next step is to monetize it so that you can start earning money from it. To do this, you'll need to sign up for YouTube's partner program which allows you to monetize your videos through ads. Once you've been approved for the program, you'll be able to turn on ads for your videos and start earning revenue. In addition to monetizing your shorts through ads, there are other ways you can earn money on YouTube, such as sponsorships, merchandise sales, and more. By uploading engaging and high-quality shorts, you can build a loyal audience and potentially earn a significant amount of money through your YouTube channel. To get ideas for effective titles, descriptions, and tags, consider studying successful shorts in your niche and replicate their approach, but be sure to avoid copying them exactly. The more relevant your titles and hashtags are, the more views and engagement you are likely to receive. As your channel grows and you gain more subscribers, you may also want to sign up for and include affiliate products in the description of your shorts. Be sure to choose products that are relevant to your content to ensure that they will be of interest to your audience. Websites like Digistore24 and ClickBank are good places to find affiliate products in a variety of niches, including finance. When you promote a product from these websites and someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission on the sale. Another important aspect of monetizing your YouTube Shorts is ensuring that you credit your sources when reposting videos from other channels like Gucci. This helps you avoid violating YouTube's fair use policy and ensures that you can monetize your channel. Simply include the channel's link in the description of your short to give proper credit. In addition to monetizing your shorts through ads and affiliate products, you can also consider creating and selling merch on your channel. Websites like Teespring allow you to customize and design articles of clothing with graphics and text related to your niche. Just add the links to your merch in the video description of your shorts to make them easily accessible to your audience. As your channel grows and you receive more views, more people will see what you have to offer and may be interested in purchasing your products, helping you to earn more money. And if all else fails, you can always just sell your soul on eBay and use the profits to fund your channel. And now for the final money-making trick for YouTube Shorts. Once you've gained a large number of followers and views on your channel from your shorts, consider creating longer videos. If you do this, you'll be able to sign up for YouTube's partner program, which allows you to monetize your longer videos through ad revenue, increasing your earnings. Remember to apply all of the tricks we discussed in this video to your longer videos to maximize your income. This includes choosing relevant titles, descriptions, and tags, as well as incorporating affiliate products and merch into your videos. However, keep in mind that in order to sign up for the partner program, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers and a total watch time of at least 4,000 hours across all of your videos. Monetizing your YouTube channel can be a lengthy process that requires a lot of effort, so if you want to fully understand how to effectively create and grow your channel to generate passive income stream, be sure to watch this video here. In the meantime, don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results from your shorts. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, and it's important to keep experimenting and learning to find what works best for your audience.